welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be showing you the first part to my new room decor. Currently I'm filming in a different bedroom at my dad's house right now. The bedroom that I'm working on in this video is actually at my mum's. Yeah, this is part one. I started this bedroom like redo with my mum like a few months ago. We haven't completely finished it, that's obviously why it's a part one, but I wanted to get this footage out because number one, it was taking too much storage up and I just wanted to get it up. And also I was excited, like I was really excited to edit it and like get it all done and get it uploaded and see what you guys think. So that's where we're at. I hope you guys enjoy the video and I will jump in with the voiceover now. Hey everyone, so obviously it's future Lily now. I am in the voiceover, I am in the screen, whatever you want to say. So this took me forever, like this is when I had loads of inspiration. You'll notice my nails change so many times throughout this video, so keep an eye out for that. I will be dipping in and out of a voiceover because of different clips, for example now. I'm not tall enough. I need a step ladder. Oh. The walls. Is this wallpaper?
Yeah, it's liner.
The blue's wallpaper. Do I take off? Oh, it's all coming off, Mum. The line is just coming off. See?
Right, don't worry, the line will have to come off as well then.
Oh, fun. Should I just pull off the line then?
Yeah.
Well, that was pretty satisfying, I can't lie. Yeah, so all the wallpaper's gone and now it is time to redo the skirtins. This actually wasn't a bad job. I kind of just, like, it wasn't a boring job. I kind of just did it and watched Netflix at the same time. Like, it was pretty chill. I didn't mind doing this. You'll notice that my nails have changed once again. Yeah, literally between every clip, my nails do change. You'll see my mum's hands a few times and you'll see my mum feature in this video. So be nice, don't be mean. But yeah, so this is where I've got loads of inspiration. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get all my room done. This is the paint that we use. I loved this paint. I think it's called like something truffle. Soft truffle, I don't know. But yeah, look how nice this paint is and I really liked the way it dried because it was like a brownish grey, but it was mainly grey. Obviously it's wet here and it did look different when it dried, but I just loved the way it turned out.
Gentle, gentle, don't try not to let it splatter everywhere. It's a lovely colour.
It is, isn't it? It's a very nice colour. Okay, so this is what I'm having on my floor. I'm just having laminate. I've never had laminate before, but with the amount of hair that comes out my head and also my cat's fur, I just thought it'd be easier. And I don't know, like sat on a chair with wheels, I can just like zoom across my floor. So yeah, this is what I've gone for. Obviously it's grey and it looks like a wood effect, which laminate normally looks like that. But yeah, so I'm really excited to have laminate. But yeah, that's it. So this will be put down soon, or literally tomorrow, and today we're putting up the wallpaper and I'll show you the wallpaper now. Okay, so this is obviously the wallpaper that I picked out. I wanted to go for something that was quite busy because grey's a little bit boring and kind of basic, so I wanted something that was the opposite of that. And I'm really into gold at the moment, so I wanted to incorporate gold in my wallpaper, which I just think is so cute. Also, did you notice that my nails had changed from pink to nothing to leopard print? Here I am actually putting it up. This is actually my mum's hands, but the clip before me was, no, the clip before my mother was me putting it up. My mum just knows so much about like DIY. Like, she isn't a professional, but she just taught everything. So I learned quite a lot during this process, so that was really fun. Be grateful when I move out and I need to do stuff for myself, like be an adult. But this is it done. I love that. Like, my sister wasn't a fan, and I'm sure there's plenty of you guys that will think, ew, gross, but I just wanted something different, something that I liked, and that, like, take a bit of a risk, because I'm just getting to that age, you know, like I'm maturing. Anyway, so now we're taking up the carpet. The carpet was absolutely vile. This was a little boy's room before mine. Like, we've just moved in, hence why there was foxes on the wall. And yeah, the wall, I mean, sorry, the what am I even saying? The carpet was nasty, so I was like, you know what? If I can't have a new carpet, I'll have laminate floor. I've never had laminate floor before, and I do really like it. I think it looks really nice, but it's not really like floor that you just want to sit on. Whereas I'm the kind of person that if I get bored, it's sat at my desk, I will just sit on the floor and do something while sat on the floor. But having laminate flooring, nah, I don't really want to do that. But this is the room so far. Let's go to IKEA. Also, peep my cat. My cat is so bloody gorgeous. So we're in IKEA, and that is the IKEA footage pretty much done.
Whoa.
I'm just filming for my YouTube channel. So yeah, that was the video. Obviously, we've only just started to put up the new furniture. You'll see more of that in the part 2. When we did do the trip to IKEA, we didn't get everything. So there will be another trip to IKEA. Hopefully I'll film a bit more. I was a little bit nervous to film in IKEA, not gonna lie. Like, watching people watch me film, like, that was a little bit uncomfortable, but I just need to get out of that because I actually do enjoy it. So don't mind that. But yeah, so there'll be more IKEA footage, and obviously more of the building, and you'll see like the room completely finished. But yeah, if you'd like to see that, make sure you like, subscribe. If you've got any questions, if like how we did things or whatever, if I've not explained it in this video well enough, then let me know in the comments. Or you can DM me on Instagram if you like find that I haven't replied to your comment. My Instagram's down below. Yeah, so I hope you guys like, subscribe, comment down below, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye!